How's everybody doing today? Nene here. You guys, I got some taillight or headlight spray. You can do either with the spray. I was gonna do Audi, but being that this may sell, I don't know after tomorrow if it does. But I was gonna do these lights, the tail lights. But oh, y'all, I'm about to trip over this daggone jack stand or this jack. I believe I'm gonna just do the Sentra, probably the front, just because I'm keeping it. I had a guy offer to buy the Sentra for $150, you guys, but I'm not taking $150 for it, not at all. Like, I love this car too much. My grandmother had one of these when I was a kid, which is the main reason why I bought this car, because of memories I had of this car from when I was little. My grandmother had like a champagne colored one. So that's why I actually bought this, because when I did get this, I told the lady that my grandmother had one, and that's why I love this car. I remember riding this as a little girl, riding in the back of the Sentra, and yeah, somebody hit my grandmother's and totaled it, so then she ended up having to get another one, and it was about the same color. It was like a gold color. So that's why I love this car so much, and it's just unique, and in my area you can't find them. Like, I have not been able to find any where I live at. So yeah, I thought it would be neat just to do, you know, the tail lights. So, or well, on this, the headlights. I was gonna do the tail lights on the Audi, but I don't know if it's gonna sell yet. And these tires, rims, you could tell the guy sprayed them, and it's starting to fade on the Audi. So those things will need a touch up if it don't sell. And I'm not sure if it doesn't sell. I'm pretty sure this thing needs a timing job. So I'm either gonna do it myself, or I'm gonna have somebody do it for me. So we'll see, you guys. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. So that's what I might do to the Sentra. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it today because it's so hot outside. So let me know what you guys think. Should I spray the headlights black? Oh, great. More spider webs in here. Ooh. Sorry, y'all, my children. But, oh, I gotta unhook the battery on. I gotta hook the battery back up. Okay, but yeah, leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. Should I do the headlights black? I think that would look pretty good. Like, and you know, the front right here black, and then black right here. I think that would look pretty dope. And then I got to get my Bondo. I'm gonna do some Bondo, the metal kind, to try to fix this. But I'm gonna start sanding it. Yeah, so this is gonna be a short kind of video today, guys. Apologize, like I said, it's hot, but I guess because this thing has been sitting out here in the sun, it looks like the daggone steering wheel is deteriorating. So look at that. I might have to put something in here to keep it cool in here, because these seats are vinyl, so these things do get hot. So I might just have to replace the steering wheel. What do you guys think? It feels really kind of loose and things right here. Like, don't feel good. So maybe I'll just end up getting a new steering wheel. Or in the meantime, just put a cover on there. And then once I get it running, then maybe I consider what I would do for the steering wheel. Sure, I could probably find one off of eBay or something like that, maybe. But yeah, so we'll figure it out. But yeah, guys, I'll have a new video coming out tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that. I'm gonna have some good little things out tomorrow, so stay tuned. And I'll see y'all next time.